Welcome to Rogan's Network. In today's video, we'll see how to configure the VLANs, configure the interface as an access port, and also assign those interfaces to the respective VLANs. So for this lab, I use a simple topology consisting of QFX devices and 4 PCs and two different networks with VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So when you add the devices, interconnect the PFE, which is packet forwarding engine, and RE, which is routing engine, with the EM1 management interface, and connect 4 PCs with the respective interfaces XE000 to 1, 2, and 3, and start all the devices. So once you start the devices, the QFX devices will take at least 15 minutes to boot. So in the meantime, we'll go ahead and log into these PCs and assign IP addresses. So I have already assigned the IP addresses respectively with 1.1 and the gateway of 1.100, and for second PC 1.2, 1.100 as the gateway IP, and for the third PC 2.1 and 2.100 as the gateway IP, and the last but not least, which is 2.2 with the gateway IP of 2.100. After 15 minutes, you will be able to log into the device using root, and the password is Juniper JCaps. Once logged in, type CLI and you will be logged into operational mode. To verify the QFX devices are up and running or not, we can verify using the command show chases hardware. And if you see the QFX 3500, the description shows that it's up and running. And also you can verify using show chases FPC. And you can see the line card, the slot 0 is online, and you can also verify using that one too. And to configure the VLANs, we'll type configure. The commands to create the VLANs is set VLANs VLAN name. I'm typing VLAN 10 for my VLAN, and VLAN ID 10. And to create the VLAN 20, VLAN 20, VLAN ID 20. And to configure the interface as an access port, use the command set interfaces XE000, the first interface, unit 0, family, Ethernet, switching, interface mode, just interface mode, question mark, access. And to assign that interface to the VLAN 10, we'll type set interface XE001, my bad, XE000, unit 0, family, Ethernet switching, VLAN members, and VLAN ID, which is VLAN 10. And for the second interface, which is XE001, use the up arrow and we'll change the specific interface name to 1, and we'll also assign the interface to the VLAN 10. And now we will go ahead and configure the XE002 and 3 as an access port and assign the interfaces to the VLAN 20. To do that, set interfaces XE002, unit 0, family, Ethernet switching, interface mode, access, set interface XE002, unit 0, family, Ethernet switching, VLAN members, VLAN ID of VLAN 20. And finally, for the interface XE003, go ahead and change the specific one by typing the up arrow and also assigning the interface to the VLAN 20, changing it to 3. So once done, we'll verify using show compare. So as we see here, we have configured the VLAN 10 and 20 with VLAN IDs 10 and 20, and the interface is XE000 to 3 as access mode, and also assigned those interfaces to the specific VLAN 10, not assigned to the VLAN 10, we will go ahead and configure that using the command 1. And now type show compare, and now it's assigned to the VLAN 10 as well. So we have created the specific VLANs and also assigned the interfaces to the VLANs. Now let's commit or save the config using commit. And you can also verify the VLANs using run show VLANs, which is similar. In Cisco we use do show VLAN brief. It's run show VLANs. VLAN 10 and 20 is created, and the interfaces specifically is assigned to the VLAN 10 and 2 interfaces assigned to the VLAN 20. Now that we have configured successfully, we'll go ahead and ping the device which is present in the VLAN 10. Typing ping 192.168.1.2. Within the VLANs, we were able to communicate from PC1 to PC2, which is present in the VLAN 10. And now let's verify the PCs present in the VLAN 20. Ping 192.168.1.2. And also the PCs in the VLAN 20 able to communicate between them. So we have successfully configured the VLANs and the access port. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye from Rogan.